lady go, bat freak, or these people all get a bullet in their heads.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my nice
Hold it
new
right
outfit.
there!
What do you think, Batbrain? Like it? What am I saying? Of course you do! Who wouldn't? So anyway, here's the deal. Mr. J is really not up to a visit right now. He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos. I've got to run, boys. If he tries anything funny, kill him!
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move, Batman. Where's he gone?
Spanish! Disappeared!
They don't know where I am.
Screw
Good.
that.
Let's
He's
keep
gonna
it that
get us.
way. Time to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed. 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy.
We need to get out of here.
He's gonna get us!
Batman, can you hear me? Try and get us and these people
He's got a
die.
hostage. I can
won't
glide
stop
to the
him.
scaffolding above him without
I'm
being
gonna die
seen,
here.
and take him down from there.
Liam, where is he?
I can't see him.
You're safe. Stay quiet.
Stay calm. Back. Can you hear me? Get out of
If
here.
I can get behind those
Leave
2
now.
without being
The
seen,
bitch has a
I can
whole
take them
word
both
head
in one
used to
move.
be.
Yeah.
That idiot thinks he's safe in the confessional. He's just made it easier for me to get in behind him.
When this is over, I'm gonna make you regret.
You don't shut the hell up. I'll kill you myself.
You'll be okay. Wait here and don't make a noise.
What's going on? Answer me! Freaking gun!
The room is secure. You're safe now.
Thank God. Yo, Batman, thanks for the help.
The gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to find a way up there.
All medical staff check supplies. Find out if anything was taken.
He's got a hostage. I need to get behind him without being seen.
I don't know if any of you guys noticed, but Batman just saved our asses. If anyone can find him, he'll do. Okay, does everyone understand? Look after the wounded, keep the bad guys out. We're a team. Let's keep it that way.
The gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to find a way up there. The gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to find a way up there. The gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to find a way up there. The gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to find a way up there. There's the gun. It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and oh, that's right. You left me to die. Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
Where are they? They should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face's crew got him. Damn it! Why the hell didn't they listen? This is the only place we're safe. We stay in here, and those animals don't bother us. You're telling the wrong person. I know. Why did they go out? Food, I guess. They should have waited. They were hungry. Hell, we're all hungry. I haven't eaten for days. We're dying here. We're safer here than out there. I'll get us some food.
Augmented reality training online.
Are you sure about this?
No, but what choice do we have?
There's gotta be something else we can do.
What? You screwed it up with penguins, guys. I think they'll kill us if we go back there. And you saw what happened when Batman went to court.
Well, maybe Two-Face is still okay, you know? After Batman...
Welcome, inmates. You are now taking your first tentative steps towards a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and that's all. A world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
Why are we still heading this way?
Because we don't have a choice. So, what's the policy today?
The word is we shoot every sorry-ass loser that comes this way.
Okay. Wait a second. Doesn't Joker's PA say he takes anyone?
We do. Today, however, we shoot him.
Yesterday, we took him in the back room and burned off his skin. Really? Yeah, but sometimes Joker just lets it...
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully. As you know, Mr. J is... He's not himself. And the last thing he needs is any so-called superhero coming in here and stopping his recuperation.
Alfred, I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
It was obviously too easy. Let's see. If all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay, then.
How the hell are we supposed to...
Steam from the furnace will boil me alive. I need to cool down the coal somehow.
Joker wants you to think he's sick. Then wham! Gotcha. I don't know, man.
I promised you some entertainment, right, boys?
I did my best.
Well, you should have tried harder. That useless plaque has failed, Mr. J. You know what that means.
The furnace became too unstable and caused the tunnel to collapse.
One to suffer a little longer. Right then, the rest of you idiots, get out of here. You know what you've got to do. Go get the snowman and bring him back here right now. He's gonna pay for screwing over Mr. J. I need him back here like yesterday.
The steam is blocking the exit. If I follow the pipe back, I may find a way to shut it down.
Holly talking about?
Declared war on Freeze. Yeah, she sounded pissed. How's he connected to Joker and all this? How should I know? She's always freaking out these days. Joker really must be sick.
Batman! He's here!